This is a test shot, testing 1, 2, and 3.
Hello and good morning or afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Hi, my name is Kate, or my friends call me Kitty, and today we're going to be doing a very simple, easy makeup tutorial that hopefully is only going to take us 10 minutes. I have a timer set for 10 minutes. That is the goal for today's makeup look, is to make it look easy and effortless, because I don't know, sometimes you just don't need a bunch of crazy looks or you don't have that much time. So see what I can get done in 10 minutes. All right. I'm gonna give myself a little like help here. I'm gonna preset my hair because I definitely took more than 10 minutes on my hair today. So I've never timed myself, or I've tried to give myself time limits and I just go, time limits. These are big clips. Okay, hopefully our hair will stay in place. Wish me luck. So I did put moisturizer on my face already, so usually I will double moisturize, but since we only have 10 minutes, we're just gonna do, not everything. But I am gonna still prime my face. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm only gonna take a little bit of this because it's definitely a grippy primer. I'm just gonna go over into my T-zone area. That is where my makeup tends to slip the most. Around my lip and nose. Extra on my jaw and chin, a little bit on my forehead. All right, while that is setting, we're gonna do our brows. Clear brow gel, and then I have my micro-filling pen from Benefit. Just gonna go in lightly and fill in the fronts. I've been kind of wearing a little bit more of a natural brow lately. I believe brows take me the longest, so I try not to be like over perfectionist with them today. But as well, I'm not trying to like stress myself and rush, because I also want this to look good, because I think you can get some really beautiful makeup in just 10 minutes. It's just how you do it. That's the trick. Okay, so we have our brows filled. I'm just gonna top them with some clear brow gel to give them some placement and shape, but nothing too structured. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's already down to 7 minutes. Next, I'm gonna take a concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser in like this blush. I've used all of it. My one gripe with this is the applicator. I feel like I'm missing so much product. I have never gone through a concealer this fast. And so I believe that it's like locked in this sponge, which is so gross in my opinion. Like I didn't even click it and look, there's stuff coming. It's not my favorite, but the formula is really, really nice. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to tap this underneath my eyes, not too far up, You can kind of see the space underneath my eye. I don't want to bring this up too high because that is going to create some creasing. I'm just going to tap this up and down my nose, kind of creating a little triangle. This is going to give us a nice brightening effect without wearing too much product. Taking the residual of that, giving it on my chin just a little bit. I got a little chin, so a little bit of length helps me out. Same thing with my forehead. If you highlight, it's going to add focus. So if you're trying to not have focus on your forehead or your chin, I do not recommend putting a highlight on either of those places. And I'm just going in with my fingers today. It's quick, it's simple. Oh my Lanta, we only have 5 minutes left. How do people do this? Okay. I guess this is it, and maybe mascara. Okay, I have to add blush. Blush is like my go-to, so maybe something softer. Okay. This is a blush that I pulled out of my collection when I was cleaning. This is the English Rose. It's really, really pretty. Okay, we're gonna use a brush. There's no way I'm using my fingers for this. Okay. Always tap out your makeup brush, and when things are too stressed out for you, tap out. I love this blush, it's so pretty. And I think it goes with so many different looks. You can glam it out, or you can keep it really soft and casual. Gosh, this is not my best blending job. I don't wear makeup to like just wear makeup anymore. When I put makeup on my face, it's usually for like an artistic purpose. Oh my Lanta, 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Okay, we got blush. Put some on our nose, give us that little kawaii look. A little bit on our chin. Mascara. This is the Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a little sample size. I might go buy a full size of this. I really, really like it. I feel like those girls are lying with those 5-minute eyeshadow looks. I mean, I'm a makeup artist. Maybe I'm just too much of a perfectionist, but there's a couple things I could maybe do in 5 minutes, but holy cannoli. I might not even get through mascara. And since we are not doing very much makeup, I'm only going to use mascara on the top lashes to keep my eyes lifted and open. Sometimes if you do both, it'll give you more of that smoky, sultry look. And clearly this makeup is not sultry or sexy. It is very cutesy. Therefore, we use cinnamon roll. We have time for a lip? Look at us. Okay, we're just gonna go in heavy on the Cupid's bow. Lower lip, and blend. Okay, we have 1 minute and 44 seconds, so I think that means that we get to put on highlighter. Highlighter is my favorite. This is the High Beam from Benefit. dots. And a swipe on our brow. Ooh, that was a lot. Alright, we'll add some onto over there. We're just going to blend this in with our fingers. We used one brush. One brush for this whole look. And it was for the blush. Oh my gosh. I almost forgot the most important thing of all, and I think we're gonna nail it just in time. Okay, highlighter, done. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, we have our setting spray. This is a CBD setting spray from Kush Queen. It is amazing. It leaves this effortless glow. Give it a good spray. A setting spray and a primer. Your two best friends for when you're doing your makeup and you want it to last. 38 seconds. All right, all right. What? It's okay. Whew. Time. Okay, let's look how we did up close. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I mean, add a little slow-mo shot right here. And we look like we just spent way longer than 10 minutes on our makeup. Thank you so much for joining me on this really quick 10-minute makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. It definitely tested my skills. I hope I do better next time. And we could achieve more in 10 minutes, but that was definitely an eye-opener. Wishing everyone a beautiful day. You're all wonderful, beautiful, amazing people. Please stay kind to one another, and I will definitely